Well, for the first time since August of 24, we topped out at the century mark. 100, the official high. It, again, surpasses the record of 99 that's set back in 1953. So today was indeed a record breaker. And again, tomorrow is certainly hot, and that heat index dangerously high into the red area here from midday to about 6 p.m. In those peak heating hours of the day, try to limit your time outside. We're staying alert tomorrow because of that and because of the chance of more scattered storms. We have two new warnings out there. One here that kind of covers a tri-county area from southeastern Walker, southern parts of Whitfield, south of Dalton, and this area here northwest of Calhoun. That storm is nearly stationary. It could provide some very strong wind gusts, some quarter-size hail, but along with that, very heavy rain, minor flooding in spots, and a lot of lightning as it kind of drifts its way back to the west and southwest very, very slowly. Also just issued from that storm that came out of Clay County, new severe thunderstorm warning over Cherokee County. A lot of lightning around Murphy right now, and that storm right along 64 could provide some wind gusts again upwards of 60 miles an hour. It does cross the state line into Union County, so be aware of that for areas east of Blue Ridge. In Fannin County, as again, all this makes its way east and back to the west. If we expand the view locally, the activity has picked up quite a bit over the past couple of hours. Again, very limited where the storms are severe, but the added outflow may again allow for more redevelopment over the next couple of hours, then start to diminish after sunset. But again, we have some rain just to the south of the state line, northern parts of Walker. That's not severe, but be aware of the lightning risk. There's that severe storm we talked about there, and again for areas farther back to the east. Now, even though we do have a couple of warnings, the main severe thunderstorm watch is to our west of our western tier counties, and then farther west back into portions of Middle Tennessee. That's where the storms are a little bit more active there. They've had more active warnings, but again, storms are not just limited to where that watch is. So again, this evening, we'll keep an eye on these storms still developing, and again, those should diminish by mid to late evening. But tomorrow, we kind of do this all over again. That big heat dome is positioned just to our north and east. So that east to west flow continues, and that's going to allow again for redevelopment of storms tomorrow afternoon. So the severe threat tomorrow, a little lower than today. Today's threat level is at level 2. Tomorrow, level 1. Just a few storms may provide some damaging wind gusts, but with so many outdoor activities, please be aware of that lightning risk, which has been so common with the storms lately. We go through this evening. Showers of storms will gradually wind down by mid to late evening. They'll still be scattered around. All areas locally run an equal chance. By tomorrow morning, temperatures in the 70s early. Then by the afternoon, temperatures back in the mid to upper 90s. Notice by mid to late day, a scattering of storms, though not everywhere. It'll provide at least a cooling effect. Be aware of the lightning risk. Otherwise, more of the same with the heat humidity. Once those start to fade out by the evening hours, by the time we get to Saturday, Independence Day, chance of showers and storms is a lot lower. 70s early, late day temperatures mid-90s, only a couple of pop-up storms. Most should be gone by fireworks time Saturday night. But for tomorrow, I mean, if you have the holiday off, it's going to be just like the past couple of days. Hot, humid, and again, be aware of a chance of afternoon and evening storms. Please stay safe during all your outdoor activities, and please remember that when thunder roars, you head indoors. By Independence Day, just a slight chance for a late day storm. Still very hot. By the time we get into next week, temperatures are a little bit lower because of more clouds and more showers. Still very humid, but highs will only be averaging in the lower 90s.
All right, David, thanks so much.